Hey guys, sorry that thing on my computer sucks. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, sorry if you guys can't really hear me. I am sick. I probably won't act like I'm sick, but my nose is clogged. Sadly, my throat is kind of scratchy. So sorry about that. But today I got my Sephora box. Sephora is really tiny. Like, it's tiny. I had the tiniest one I've ever gotten. If you guys like hauls, then ooh, get like that. Sorry. If you guys like hauls, comment down below and I'll definitely do more. If I have some money, I'll probably do more hauls with like new products. So this is an open box. I haven't opened it to see it. Like literally, like this is as far as I got to open it. But it's so close. It says it's 3 pounds, but it doesn't feel like anything. It's really weightless. So, anyways, let's just get open. Okay, we open it, and the first thing you see are this Ziploc baggie, which has the which has my samples. And I'll go through them in a minute. And I always put little things on this card. Put something kind of cute. And they sent me this, which is also a sample, and you smell it. And they send you your bill receipt thingy, whatever. So when I got mine, the deal was, one of the deals was instead of 3 samples, you could choose 5. I might know this heavy. So I chose 5, and they actually have that many good ones, and I did it sadly, but you still get more. This bag is actually really cute. It has like their symbol on it. I've never seen them put symbols in a bag before. Last time these came. The first thing I got, first thing I got was a Bare Minerals face primer, and my mom ran out, so I was going to end up giving this to her if I wanted to try it, but she ran out. She's like, oh, can I get your sample before I go buy more this weekend? Like, fine. So she's going to take my sample. Oh well. When she gets the bottle, I'll just take it. And then I got the Bobbi Brown hydrating face cream. And it's just like any other face cream. It says apply morning and night. That's what the bottle looks like. I don't know how much it is, but it's probably really expensive. I wish that they would change their samples, like, and actually come in like little jars. Like, that would be kind of cute if you actually put them in little jars, and yeah. But they are free, so I can do what I want. And then next, I got this, which everyone, I'm not everyone, but, Florida Force, and who was it? I was just watching her, oh my god, I can't remember. Ingrid? Yeah, it's not Ingrid. The Grid Monster. I believe that's her. Yeah, Ingrid. So I couldn't remember it, but they love this, and it's the Look Bare Naked, the Look Bare Naked, and it's the Soap and Glory Righteous Butter, and it says it's voted Britain's best body butter, and it's actually pretty good. I think it's really thick, and it says after showering or bathing, then put this on. So I'm gonna try it. I don't know how much the full size is. But I'm gonna guess the full size is actually pretty good price, maybe like $12, something like that. Next I got this, and it's just a really cute packaging. Look at that, I like the cutest packaging ever. And this is the Honestly Flight of Fancy, perfume. Whatever. I can't even. Yeah. The bottle is, oh, that's beautiful, because I want the bottle if it smells good. I can't really smell anything. But the thing doesn't have a spray, it's just one of those open it and you dab it on. And I'll try that one and tell you guys if I like it. And then I got this because everyone's talking about it. And it's a Chloe perfume. I got the pink one. My goodness, so that's that. Now let's actually get into the order, and I got 3 things. Yeah, I got 3 things, and then I got my birthday gift. My birthday was February 25th. Oh, and then I got this. I spent $25. So, sorry, my ears look, oh, I hate my ears. So I spent $25. So I got enter a code to get a free item. And I got this. And this is the Cover Fix Matte Setting Powder. Yeah, and it's in white because for the coloring, it looks like that. And it has like the sifter, and it reminds me of Bare Minerals. You guys can't really see that. But this, it was either they ran out, and they have any other good things. Other things were like for anti-wrinkles, but I'm 15. I don't need anti-wrinkle stuff. It was either this one or like darker skin, so this is too white. Oh well. This is a pretty good sample. Pretty good sample. It was a deluxe sample. But the full size is like $33. I looked that up to see. Pretty expensive. My birthday gift, I'm so excited. This is actually the birthday gift from last year. But for online, you can choose the one from this year or last year. I chose the one from last year because I really wanted it. And it's the Fresh Sugar Kiss Mini Lip Duo. I'm sure everyone talks about it. They just look like that. I don't really want to open it. Should I? I'll just open it. They come in like that. And they're both has like $22. These things are freezing cold. Just like ice. They're so cute and tiny. And there's my stuck. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells good. I might end up getting the full size. You know, it's kind of expensive. I end up really liking it. I might get full size. And it's not one of the ones you just pull off. You actually have to twist the cap. This one's in rose. This one is just the original one. And this one's in rose. It smells the same. Not really good smell, but I believe it's, yeah. Doesn't really have a tint. Not a good one though. But I end up liking them. Okay, guys, now I end up getting the full size. So yeah. The next 2 things, and I really wanted these. But the next 2 things I got are things I've been wanting for a while. I'll show you them later. And I'll tell you if you really do. It's nail polish. This thing is just like, I had to spend $25. And the things I got, I wanted to get something that was like $300 more. So I ended up going through all the sale stuff. And this, I've always wanted OPI nail polish. I'm like, oh, this is cute. So it's a Sephora OPI. And it says in Come to Paparazzi. Come to Papa, but it says Razzie. Paparazzi or something. Come to Paparazzi. It says pretty, like, brown, goldy flakes. It's a top coat. It's like $3, $4, maybe $3 to $5, something like that. And I had 2 of them. I thought this one was more pretty. So I got that. And I've always wanted OPI nail polish. But I don't know why. I just always wanted one. Because everyone raves out maybe mirrors. Okay. I'll try it. And these next 2 things, as everyone raves about them. Like, everyone loves them. So, this one I hear about Pink So Foxy talk about all the time. And I know she loves these. And they are the Buxom Lips. And this for Pout Plumping Perfections. Buxom Lips. Big and Healthy Lip Polish. The packaging looks like it has a girl on it. That's what it looks like. This is an Isabella. Isabella. It's either this one or like a really dark plum. I don't want plum. I got this one. What? Okay, we're gonna say they showed some Bare Essentials, or I was like, I don't know. That's what it looks like. It's not what hers. The ones that she has are like the glass is like weird looking, but it is glass. Can you hear that? Smell? It smells good. It smells like furniture. That's what it looks like. And this is definitely like, oh, it's beautiful. It's definitely like, it's more nudie, not nudie pink. It's definitely one of those nude ones I would wear. See, it's not like a straight up lip gloss. You usually would think, oh, they're straight. This one you would probably, like, this one I would wear without any lipstick underneath or anything. So, yeah. And then the next thing I got is everyone talks about, especially Woman Gorgeous talks about it. So, he texted me, and it's a pomegranate slash grenade lip butter. And it's a Korres lip butter. And only the one is everyone talks about it. Like, everyone talks about it. Everyone talks about the jasmine one, but I wanted this one. So, oh, everyone has a jasmine one. I want to try this one. Packaging is really cute. Not really super cute, but it's cute. And this is what it looks like with a little plastic thing on it. Let's see if I can take that off. That's what it looks like without it. Yeah. And it's supposed to have like a rosy tint. Oh, these are really smooth. Smooth. I don't know if it has a tint because I can't really see. It's pretty. And yeah, so if you guys want a review on any of these, comment down below and I'll definitely do a review on any of them. Just tell me if you guys want a review on any of them. I cannot get this back. Yeah. So anyways, like this, subscribe, comment, reviews, what videos you guys want, hauls. Anyways, yeah. Bye.